Hi everybody! It's spring here, almost summer, so the temperature here is like Philippines, feels like Philippines, so this is my favorite season, summer. I'm here outside. Nakapag-grill na din ako because it's a nice out. Yung dinner namin, chicken. What a wonderful day! Hope everybody has food to eat today. Kahapon nag-grill din ako ng fish kahapon. Nakuha namin sa lake. Nung nag-fishing kami ng isda. I eat a piece and then I gave to the chickens too. It's a beautiful day here. Right. It's what time here? It's 5 p.m. around 5 p.m. I love cooking. Masarap talaga magtambay sa labas. Fresh air, mahangin, and sunlight. It's a pretty day. Ayan. Mga kahoy. Nagkaroon na ng mga leaves yung mga kahoy. Because it's spring here. Balik sa buhay. Back to life now. And then yung garden ko. Yan, yung garden ko.